how can we get rid of this menu that doesn't wanna go away? I mean, I tried so many times. I turned my TV on and off. For some reason, the remote control is not doing it. So it might look like it's a TV problem, but actually, wait. Sometimes it changes the channel. I'm able to do something else, but it's not really the TV problem. What I figured out, it was actually the remote control problem. And then that was one of the reasons that Samsung suggests to do in order to make a TV work in my previous video. I'm gonna post it over here so you can watch it in case you can't figure out how to turn your TV on. So I went to the local store and bought this universal remote control by Philips, and it's actually set up to use it for Samsung, but I believe you can use it for some other TVs too, and this program actually can fix other TV problems as well. So I'm gonna do this in real time. So I'm gonna remove the batteries for the old remote control, and I'm gonna place it on the new one so you can see that actually works. And then, like I say, this might work for all different type of TV because it's a universal remote control. So if you ever have problems with the menu, it's stuck on this TV and doesn't want to move it or doesn't want to change channels or anything, this might fix the problem. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and as you can tell, it actually turned off really easy. And I'm able to change channel with it too. So I don't see the menu anymore. It's gone. So we go back to our channel that we want, and we also can bring the volume up and down. In fact, so I think the problem is solved. It's just you have to buy a new remote control, and as I mentioned before, that was one of the reasons why a TV doesn't want to work, especially on the Samsung world, I believe. That's why a technician actually advised when I called it when my other TV didn't want to work. And then, like I said before, I'm gonna put a link on the description so you can watch the other video, or at the end of this video, or link over here on the top. But in the meantime, this is how you get rid of the menu that doesn't want to go away. So it's not the TV, it's actually the remote control. So replace the remote control by a new one, a universal one, especially if you can buy a special one made reset for your TV, that'll be great too. This one was actually programmed for Samsung. That's what it says on the label. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Please subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.